This is week 2 of the Mobility at Your Desk series, and we're going to go up the chain to teach you how to work the tricep muscle. We've got two versions of the AccuMobility Ball, level 1 and level 2. They both apply deep pressure, but the level 1 has got a little more flex and tack to it, and the level 2 is a little firmer. Generally we recommend people start with the level 1 ball, and then as they work deeper, get up to the level 2. Step 1, I'm going to use the level 2 ball. I'm going to start right behind the elbow. You're going to push down onto the bicep. You're going to apply pressure as you go through flexion and extension with the forearm. Find a nice restricted spot there. 3 to 4 reps, and work your way further up, doing 3 to 4 reps all the way up to the top here. Step 2 is we're going to use 2 AccuMobility balls to create the unique vice function, in which you're going to be able to press down between them, working both sides and creating compression from both sides. Press down onto the bicep and go through flexion and extension. Try to find some trigger points in there and work through 3 to 4 reps. Step 3, you can use any kind of oil, apply some to the top of the AccuMobility Ball, and then onto the tricep itself. You're going to start at the base right behind the elbow. You're going to press down, and then we're going to move very slowly, and we're going to dredge that channel, working all the way up to the top. This gets a deep release. You can stop, work through some active ranges of motion if you find a good trigger point.